Hello friends, let's make Konaseema fish Pulusu today. This is an Andhra speciality, one of the traditional cooking. This is my channel Easy Home Cooking. Please subscribe, like and share and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Ingredients are mentioned here. Please feel free to add in or reduce the quantities suiting to your taste buds. So let's start cooking the traditional fish Pulusu. Heat up a pan, add some oil, add some onions and a little bit of salt. The salt helps in roasting the onions faster. So once they are roasted, please add in a little bit of curry leaves. You can add even more. This gives a very nice flavor to the soup. Add some ginger garlic paste and roast it until the raw flavor disappears. Add slit green chilies. These are very tasty when completely cooked in the tamarind pulp. They will not be spicy, so you can eat them whole. Add some turmeric powder, red chili powder, and a little bit of water. Cover and cook until the soup comes to a boil. Once it's boiled, add in tamarind pulp, some coriander, cumin powder. Cover and cook until the soup completely infuses its tamarind flavor into the soup and it comes to a boil. Once the soup boils, add in fish pieces and shake the complete bowl if you need to stir in, but don't use your ladle too much, otherwise the fish might break into pieces. Now the soup is completely ready. So serve with rice, enjoy with your family, and thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.